Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I have a Samsung S24 Ultra. As you can see, this is a new phone actually, but it is water damage. It's not water damage, just it shows, look, as you can see, there is error. This is a water detects in the charging port. So today I want to show you how to fix this problem. So there is different ways to fix this problem. We can clean charging port as well, but I did that also, but still have a same. So let's see. So to fix this problem, I'm gonna disassemble this phone, Samsung S24 Ultra. So for disassembling, we have to remove the back panel glass. So be carefully, we have to remove the back glass. Actually, it shouldn't be damaged. So this way we can easily remove the back glass as well. So after remove the back glass, I have to remove this part and these 4 screw also. Let's unbolt this screw. So after unbolt all screw, now I can remove this the wireless charging flex coil, and this is antenna flex, and this is a speaker. Walaikum assalam. Yes. So first of all, we can try with the clean of charging port. So now I'm gonna remove charging flex, and first I will try with the cleaning. So we can clean the charging port and check. So this is actually charging flex. It says it's a water damage, or there is some moisture. So now I'm gonna clean. So we can clean with the MBC or a contact cleaner, whatever you have. You can use thinner also as well. So after wash, so we should use some heat to dry off. So now I'm gonna install the old flex, and I have to check, is it working as well, or do I have to change the charging flex also. So this is actually first try. We can try, just check if it is work. But it's not working. Just I plug in and it's turned off. I guess this flex is a short, that's why. So guys, now I'm gonna install new flex. Actually this flex is not working, still have a same problem. Once I install and connect the connector, mobile is turned off. So now I'm gonna install new flex. This is the one, actually new flex. As you can see, it's an original, same like as old. So let's see if it's work. So this way I have to install. One more thing I forgot to tell you, actually this number should be same. As you can see, S928, and the old flex also have a same number, same model. If it's different, or if you install other flex, it won't work. So we should install the same. So let's see, now I'm gonna turn on phone and we will check whether it's work. So we can install, this is actually wireless charger also. So mobile is gonna turn on. but again it turned off. I guess there is some shortage, something wrong. I guess this flex have a problem because someone tried to fix this one and it's little bit burned also. So what I can do, I have to, I guess, remove this connector and again I have to install. I guess I have to, this is a resoled. So now I'm gonna do, so for this one we have to use flex, this flux paste also, we can say solder paste. So let's see, now I'm gonna resolder this flex. Actually I guess it's short, that's why my phone is gonna turn off. Once I connect that charging flex, it's turned off automatically phone. So someone already have tried to resolder this one, I guess, because this part is already burned. So let's see what will happen. Otherwise we have to change this flex also. So be carefully, we have to resolder this part. Actually if we use more heat it can be like burn or melt because it's a plastic. So this way we can resolder. All points should be separate, it should not connect to each other. So after resolder, now we have to clean because there is paste. Clean with MBC as well. Now it's looks better. Let's see if it's work. So now I'm gonna check, I'm gonna test whether it's work. So as you can see it's working as well. Before here was that water error, water detects error. So now it's fine, it's working as well. It's 10%, it will increase. So now I'm gonna check. As you can see it is working as well. Fast charging 10% and 1 hour it will take until full charge. So this was actually the problem was with this. I tried to clean, wash and resolder also charging port, but it won't work. I don't know, this is actually something about this problem. So it's fine. So now I'm gonna rebolt all screw and that's it. If this video is helpful for you, just like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit bell icon. Okay, see you. We will meet in next video.